Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how to align section view in FreeCAD. We will take this live example of the same drawing which I have open. So I will on my frame and I will delete the section view and I will delete everything from here, and then I will select my base view and I will say sections and I will select last option and I will say OK. So you will see that our section view is not aligned with our base view. So there is a very simple tool in a FreeCAD. Just select your section view and click on position sections view. So now position sections has been assigned with my base view, but the problem is that if I move it, then I can still move it. So somewhere once I align, I have to fix its positions. To do that, we will again select our view and assign horizontal, and then we will select our view and we will lock our view. So one lock symbol has been came here. Now if I try to move it, I cannot move it. So this is how we can take a sections and align our sections. So this is very small tutorial for the beginner users who face difficulty to align the sections view with the base view. I hope you have liked this tutorial, and if you like my method of teaching, then you can support me. I will come with more useful tutorial in future. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.